Okay, this is a bracket to hold either a Lora and Husky show or a crystal base station. You can see the circuit boards fit in this cavity here, and this holder at the back is for the antenna. It's really important to keep that antenna stabilized because it's on a very skinny cable and you could easily break the cable or the connector. So looking at it from different angles, this is intended to mount on a hockey puck. So the cards slide in this area. These little corners at the top just hold the card in place. They're expected to be flexible enough to bend back a bit so they can clip over the top of the card. There's some cable management stanchions back here. And the way this works for the antenna is the cable can slide down this slot as the antenna is slid down. So the cable comes out the bottom here. Alright, I'm just going to show how this chassis works. We have a little holder for the antenna with a slot for the cable coming out, and then there's a bracket to hold the module, and it's on a hockey puck base, so it's fairly stable. The module, the typical module here, has on the back, we can see the Maker 1 1300. It has the speech synthesizer. This is a audio amplifier and the audio speaker jack. This is the connector for the Huskeylens here. There's another provision here for the Nikola Vision. On this side we can put this LCD, or we can actually put on the larger LCD on these big connectors at the edge. So right now it's just using the little LCD, and it fits into this bracket like this. So I've got to get the cables out of the way, and then we just snap it in with these spring-loaded clips at the end, and that's solid. To mount the antenna, we just put the cable in through the slot and slide it down. It's nice and firm, and there it is, all set to go. We just plug in a speaker and a power cable, and it's going to power up. Right now it can't see anything, but
hello, Spiderman.
There's
Hi, Husky. I am Spiderman.
So it is
Spiderman detected.
All working as soon as I plug it in.
Hello, Cindy.
Hi, Husky. I am Cindy Cicada. Cicada detected.
Hello, Grasshopper. Hi, Husky. I am Grasshopper.
Grasshopper detected.
And away we go.
Hello, Ladybug.
Hi, Husky. I am Ladybug. Ladybug detected.
Working perfectly.
Hello, Obi-Wan. Hi, Husky. I am Obi-Wan.
One little side note here. This Lora and Husky show requires about 1/4 of an amp to 0.3 amps. So 300 milliamps is more current than the Maker or the Arduino is going to request when it plugs into a computer. So I had to make up a little module which has one connector for power coming in, one connector going to the computer, and one connector going to the Arduino so that I could program it. And this allows me to get enough power to this system so that the Huskeylens is working as at the same time as we're trying to program this. While it's not connected to the computer, of course, I don't need this module. I can just plug it into a high power USB power supply.